Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Raghavinder. As you already know that we are doing a Docker project series. So in this video, we'll be working on the second project, which will be Node.js application. In the last project, we have worked on the Python based application, and we already have the 10 projects here in my GitHub account. So from basic to advanced level projects. So we have implemented everything like CI/CD pipelines, microservices, and MongoDB, the backend, distillers images. So we have done many things. So to make these projects more efficient, so within these 10 projects, we can able to work on Docker. Okay, so make the Docker more easy for you guys. So I have done these 10 projects. So yeah, you can just clone these projects and start working on them. So if you start working on these projects, so just clone them and start working. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments. If you have any suggestions also, let me know in the comments so that we can both enhance our skills. So we can improve on not only on the Docker. So if you have any suggestions regarding the Kubernetes or regarding the DevOps or programming, just let me know so that we both can improve ourselves. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll be continuing we'll be starting the projects. Please do subscribe and comment your suggestions or if you have any feedback for me. So in this project, last project, we have worked on the Python application, right? Here in this project, we'll be working on the Node.js application. The process would be same, but the thing is, since we are using Node.js, so we'll need to install Node, and the application structure would be different. The process would be same. We need the Dockerfile and the application, and install the dependencies. In any of the applications, the process would be same. But here, in the last project, so instead of package.json, we have worked on the uh, requirement.txt, right? So like that, the small changes will be there. The application will be anyhow the Python, and here we'll be using Express for Node.js. So these things will change. That's it. Apart from that, everything would be same. Let's jump into the project. So start with the make directory and create the project, and then install Express. Since we are using Node, the backend would be like I will be using Express for the backend, and the create the file with the file name node index.js, and here are the it is a complete application. So if you also see that application with hello from Dockerize Node.js, so this has to be shown, and then we'll be creating the Docker file with a touch uh, command. We can create these files. So if you see here, we have the node. We will be creating the base image will be node, and then we have the copy.jsn. So in the Python, we have the requirement.txt, and here we'll run the npm command. Okay, install the npm, and is in this here is the port, and then command node, since the application is node, and .js file, the file name. In the Python application, we had the Python and then app.py, the application, right? So here we are changing the bit. The process, if you understand, the process is same, but the our dependencies, everything we need to install differently. So since we are using Node and uh, doc, while installing, we might have some unnecessary files. To avoid them, we'll be adding the .gitignore file, and in that file we'll be adding to ignore node modules or npm debug or .git, these type of unnecessary files, and this will be our project structure. So exactly how the project should be, and package once you install properly, the all the files will be installing automatically. Okay, and this should be the project. Once it is done, you need to build the Docker image with this command docker build, give the tag name, and the complete Docker image name and check the Docker image with this Docker image command. Then run the container with docker run detach mode and with the port mapping -p and give the port, so you can change the port if you want. Then give the name of the container, then image. That's it. So and port mapping, give the port and name of the container and image name. That's it. Once you are done, check the docker ps to verify the container, or else you can also go with the localhost 3000 or any port which which you have already given. So check the port, and if everything is fine, you can able to see the hello dockerized the whichever it is there in your application, hello from Dockerized Node.js. So we'll run this command. So I'm changing the port and also the container name here. I'm giving the command. So just enter. So make sure you have the Docker installed properly. So here we have the Docker container. Then we'll check the port. We'll just copy this and give the port name. Congratulations, we have successfully created the project hello from Dockerize Node.js. We have successfully installed. So which is there in the application. Yeah. So that's about today's project, and I hope it help you. And all the projects I'm doing within within 10 minutes, so that you people can easily understand and directly implement instead of like doing a very long video. So I would like my thought is to give the short form of the project, so that you can easily implement that. Okay, if you can able to implement the project, and you can learn easily, right? So instead of watching 1 hour video and then you lost the interest in the midway, so that's a problem. So I'm making it short, so please understand that and try to complete the projects and do it on yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, subscribe and comment me if you have any feedback. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it.